How to download and install Adobe Photoshop Express on Windows 11. First, open the Microsoft Store on your Windows 11 PC. You can either search for it by clicking the Start menu and typing Microsoft Store, or find it pinned to your taskbar. Once you're in the store, head to the search bar at the top and type in Adobe Photoshop Express. This will bring up the app in the search results. Click on the Adobe Photoshop Express app, and you'll be taken to its store page. Here, click the Get button to start the download. It's completely free to download, but you'll need an Adobe account to access all features. The download and installation should only take a few minutes, depending on your internet speed. Once it's installed, you can launch Photoshop Express directly from the Microsoft Store by clicking Open, or find it in your Start menu under All Apps. When you open Photoshop Express for the first time, you'll be prompted to sign in with an Adobe ID. If you don't already have one, no worries. Just click on Sign Up and create a free account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the sleek, user-friendly interface of Adobe Photoshop Express. Here, you can quickly edit photos by adjusting brightness, contrast, adding filters, and much more. And there you have it, folks. That's how easy it is to download and install Adobe Photoshop Express on Windows 11. It's a fantastic tool if you want quick photo edits without all the bells and whistles of the full version. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.